now now explaining the third position. Okay, according to the problem, whatever inclination on the VP, you have to draw it on HP. So what is the inclination on the HP? Has given HP at 40 degrees. So inclination on the HP, you have to draw it on VP. Inclination on the VP, you have to draw it on HP. What are the inclination on the VP? It is 30 degrees. So first draw a 30 degrees line. He has drawn a 30 degrees line. This line, draw a 30 degrees line. Later it's a beta problem. So after drawing the 30 degrees line, first you have to measure for projection of solid. First you have to take first position front view. So we have to measure O1 dash and O dash line. Take anywhere a point on the 30 degrees line called as O. Okay, now measure O dash, O1 dash. Put your compass at the point O. Cut an arc. Name it as O2. Now draw a horizontal line in such a way that this horizontal line is absolutely parallel to your XY line. Later, now second position, top view, you have to measure. You have to measure which measurement you have to measure? O1. Already you got the point called as O. Put your compass at the point O. Cut an arc along the horizontal line. You got the point called as O1. This is the original. This line is the original line. This line is the original line. So extend the line further. It will go and touch to your XY line. Now measure this line. It is almost 41 or 42 degrees. Now, okay, now you got the point called as O1. These 2 points. Okay, so extend the line further O1, okay, behind, extend the line behind and extend the line forward. Already you are extended it. Okay, now measure OC1 with your compass. Put your compass at the point O. Cut an arc. Now measure CC1. Put your compass at the point C1. Cut an arc. You got these 2 points. Got 3 points. Now O1 C1. Now how to draw the remaining points, outside points? Now see it. Now measure C1 E1. Put your compass at the point C1. Cut an arc. Now C1 E1 measurement is as same as C1 A1. Put your compass at the point C1. Cut an arc. Now you have to find an exact intersecting arc in order to find E1 A1. How to do it? Now you got the point. Now this point from here to here, measure with a compass. Put your compass at the point here at the center point. Cut an arc. Okay, this measurement is as same as this measurement. From here to here, it is same. Don't change your compass. Put your compass at the point here. Cut an intersecting arc. Then you find the point called as E1 A1. Now you got the point C1 E1 A1. Now remaining points is as it is very easy. Now how to do it? Measure E1 D1. Put your compass at the point E1. Cut an arc with the same compass. Put your compass needle at the point A1. Cut an arc. You got the point called as B1. Now measure C1 B1. Put your compass at the point C1. Cut an arc with the same compass. Cut an opposite arc. Now you got the point A1 B1 C1 D1 E1. The same procedure, you have to repeat it back. What is the same procedure? Measure CE. Put your compass at the point C. Cut an arc. Put your compass at the point here. Cut an arc. Now you have to find an intersecting arc in order to get the exact points of E and A. Now how to do it? Now extend this line further. Okay, here also extend this line further. Okay, now measure from here to here. Put your compass at the point here, which is here. Cut an arc with this point. Cut an arc E and A. Now measure ED. Put your compass at the point E. Cut an arc. Put your compass at the point A. Cut an arc. Now you got the point. Okay, already you got the point. Now measure CD. Put your compass at the point C. Cut an arc. Put your compass at the point C. Cut an opposite arc. Now you got all these points. Okay, write it same as it is. Now how to draw a corresponding view is very important. Now I will take up this face in order to draw it. This face measurement projection points. Okay, intersection of A1 and A1 dash will give the point called as A1 dash. Intersection of B1 and B1 dash will give the point called as B1 dash. Intersection of C1 will give intersection of C1 and C1 dash will give the point called as C1 dash. Intersection of D1 and D1 dash will give the point called as D1 dash. Intersection of E1 and E1 dash will give the point called as E1 dash. After completing, I will take up this face. Intersection of A and A dash will give the point called as A dash. Intersection of B and B dash will give the point called as B dash. Intersection of C and C dash will give the point called as C dash. Intersection of D and D dash will give the point called as D dash. Intersection of E and E dash will give the point called as E dash. Now, what is my first rule? After doing that, what is my first rule? Identify the extreme outside points. Okay, what are the extreme outside points? A1 dash, A1, B, A dash, B dash, C dash, C1 dash, D1 dash, D1 dash, A1 dash. Draw with a thick line. Draw with a thick line. Later, complete the face. How to complete the face? Identify what is my second point. Identify which is the nearest face to you. This is the nearest face. Okay, in this nearest face, number 3 point, in this nearest face, identify any two extreme outside points of the face. What are the extreme outside points? A1 dash, C1 dash. Remaining are the innermost points. So okay, by identifying this, I will join the thin line by connecting A1 dash and C1 dash. Okay, behind the line, how many points are there? 2 points. With these 2 points, whatever the line goes and joins to the other point and touches to the other point, with that point, whatever the line and go and passes away and touches to the other points, all these lines will become the hidden line. Okay, later identify the center points. Very easy. O1, intersection of O1 and O1 dash will give the point called as O1 dash. Intersection of O and O dash will give the point called as O dash. Now mark your center line. Okay, one big dash, small dash, big dash, small dash, and big dash. Okay, remaining phases, whatever it is there, all these lines will become a dark lines, thick lines. This face, this one. Okay, this face, this one will become a thick line. Okay, this dotted line, this dashed line should be, these hidden lines should be of thick hidden lines in order to mark this is a hidden line. Okay, so hope you all understand this problem.